In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video in Canva. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can easily add YouTube content into your designs for presentations, social media posts, or any other project you're working on. First, open your design in Canva. This could be anything: a presentation slide, a video layout, or even a social media graphic. Once your design is open and you can see your canvas in the middle of the screen, look over to the left-hand side where the main toolbar is. There, you'll see options like templates, elements, and text. What you want to click on is apps. This is where Canva keeps all of its extra integrations and tools. After you click on apps, a new panel will appear with various options and categories. To make things quick, go to the search bar at the top of this app section and type in the word embed. This helps you jump straight to the tool we need instead of scrolling through the entire list. When the search results appear, you should see an option called embed. Go ahead and click on that. The embed feature allows you to bring external content, like websites and videos, directly into your Canva design. In this case, we'll be using it specifically for YouTube. Next, you'll see different types of embeds you can use. Look for the YouTube option. It may be labeled clearly as YouTube embed or show the YouTube logo. Click on that option to continue. If this is your first time using YouTube within Canva, you might see a button that says Open. Click Open to enable the integration. Sometimes Canva will take a second to load here, so just give it a moment. Once it's open, you'll see a field where you can search for a video. In that search box, type the title of the YouTube video you want to insert. You don't need the full URL, just the title or a few keywords usually works well. Canva will then show a list of matching YouTube videos based on what you typed. Browse through the results that appear and find the exact video you want. When you see it, simply click on the video thumbnail. Canva will automatically insert that YouTube video into your design. From there, you can drag to move it around, resize it by pulling on the corners, and position it exactly where you want on the canvas. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube video into your Canva design using the apps and embed options.